loneliest number. This is the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.
Test on my next shows while my whiteboard is marked up with expos. Planning out all of my next moves and expos. The most unlikely artist to make it out of the West Coast. Teenager with the mind of a vet though, but soon somebody will sign him a check. So if you did something that you highly regret, I recommend it. It's about time that you let go. Cause at first they were trying to diss me. Now I'm coming up so they ask for favors. And when you get noticed, it's story pussy. Now they talking to me on their best behavior. I barely know, telling me they love me. Two-faced friends only in it for the money. Who can you trust when he's trying to be the greatest?
Yeah, boy.
You haters until I'm number. Yeah, but the number one is what I'm going for. I used to want it all, and now I want it more. Until I'm number. And you could tell that I mean it if you look into my eyes. It shouldn't be a surprise when I finally arrive at the top. Number one. What am I really trying to prove? Did I just put myself into a situation where I gotta choose between music and money, fans and friends? I hope that all the above is on the Scantron then. Life is a test and I study for the class. If you wanna understand, then you better do the math. Procrastinator rappers thinking they go past, gonna find out real soon just how long they gonna last. Can't afford to keep it 100 nowadays, cause if you want the money and need the record plays, you'll turn into a Lady Gaga monster for the fame. That's why all of a sudden all your music sounds the same. But me, I'll keep it me, have nobody else to blame. Cause even if I never ever make it in the game, I'll know I kept it true when I gave my all to you. But nah, fuck it, I ain't in it to lose, I wanna be number. Yeah, but the number one is what I'm going for. I used to want it all, and now I want it more. Until I'm number. And you could tell that I mean it if you look into my eyes. It shouldn't be a surprise when I finally arrive at the top. Number one. I spent my last 2 summers surrounded by blue walls and people doing covers. YouTube stars seem to come in a flash, but when lightning strike, I'ma come later with the thunder and let it resonate across the town with my voice in a sound. Let it shake the ground. Let it pound to the bay. You know I'ma hold it down. Cause when I'm number one, I'ma take it to the top. This life is too much fun, I ain't never gonna stop. They don't wanna see me run, they just wanna see me flop. But it's gonna be a different story when they hear it drop. Cause when I'm number one, I'ma take it to the top. This life is too much fun, I ain't never gonna stop. They don't wanna see me run, they just wanna see me flop. But it's gonna be a different story when they hear it drop. I wanna be number. Yeah, but the number one is what I'm going for. I used to want it all, and now I want it more. Until I'm number.
This is the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be the last one. It's the loneliest number. This is the number one.
One day at a time, one way to the night. One day I'm wrong, next day I'm right. One day I run, next day I fight. One day at a time, one way to the night. One day I will, next day I might. One day it's dark, next day it's light. Yeah, yo, ain't nobody stopping me. B2K for the day, that's how it's gotta be. It's going down, but ain't nobody dropping me. Now I got their hands up, something like a robbery. And I know that I deserve this. Like the word now, yeah, I'm nowhere near nervous. In the dictionary, I'm fucking just visionary. And I can't be gassed up, cause I practice self-service. Take the world by storm like Allie. They love me in Cali, way out in the valley. I stayed in my lane like I'm bowling in the alley. And you know I'ma ride like Sally. And I hope that you're ready, cause I'ma do it my way like Betty. Probably catch me one way to the night. One day I will, next day I might. do this rapping shit. People looking at me like I'm delirious. Back up, nah, I made a lot of money last year, but I'm in a game where people don't last here, so I can make a whole lot of dough. Then my fans can say no, and I can fucking end up. Did I choose the wrong way? Am I talking cause it's been a long day? Will I feel the same way in 24? I don't know, I can't really be sure. One way to the night. Next day I fight. One way to the night. One day I whip. Next day I might. One day it's the one day I run, next day I fight. One way to the night, one day I will, next day I might. One day.
So what, we get drunk, so what, we smoke weed, we're just having fun.